Okay, so I have this running. I don't have it to the house yet that I'm gonna install it in, but I just have it running outside just so you can see it operate. It is actually pretty quiet right now. The fan is on high. Let's lower the fan speed. Low, medium, high. Not sure if you can hear it because my other air conditioner is running in the background, but it is actually a very quiet unit. I have it set so this oscillates up and down, which is a very nice feature. Oh, I think I do. Hang on. There we go. Now it's up and down. It is very hot outside, so let's look at the temperature coming out of this. Hold on, let me wait for it to go up again. You can see it's about 57 degrees, and if you look at the pavement temperature, it's 90, almost 100 degrees. So you can see this is working quite well, and this is the output where the hot air comes out. You can see how much warmer that is. So this is very effective, very quiet. It's a very nice unit. And that's it. Nice unit. And this is, by the way, the window attachment. The hose, if you want to use it as a dehumidifier. And I think it's very nice. I think this can cool quite an area. I'm giving it 5 stars.
I'll tell you about this little machine. This is the best machine I ever bought. And this is, even my dog is cold. It's over here now. That's his bed. It's right there. He's cold now. He used to sleep on top of my bed because it was hot over there. It was hot in those areas. And now it's cold now. This bedroom comes down to like 60 degrees. Round spot. Thank you.